Zipcar Rental Car Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think Zipcar is just another rental company, but you won't believe what happens next when you realize how different it really is. Zipcar is a car-sharing service that lets members rent vehicles by the hour or by the day. Instead of standing in long lines at rental counters, you reserve a car through the app, unlock it with your phone, and drive away. Gas, insurance, and maintenance are already included in the price. The surprising truth is that Zipcar can be significantly cheaper for short trips. If you only need a car for a few hours to run errands, attend appointments, or make a quick weekend getaway, Zipcar can cost far less than traditional rentals. But most people get this wrong. They assume Zipcar is always cheaper. In reality, longer multi-day rentals may be more expensive than classic rental agencies. Pricing varies by city, time of day, and vehicle type. Another thing to know is availability. Cars are shared, so popular locations and weekends can sell out quickly. Planning ahead is key. Zipcar is best for city dwellers, students, and people who do not own a car but need occasional access. The surprising truth is that Zipcar is not about owning less. It is about paying only when you drive. Subscribe for more honest transportation reviews that help you save money.